Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking again at joining two vowel sounds together, where one word ends in a vowel sound and the next word starts with a vowel sound. For example, hello again. Hello again. I don't say hello again. I join the two words together. Hello again. So there are two vowel sounds, hello, O, which is this one, O, okay. And the next one is again, this sound, again, hello again. So joining two vowel sounds together, hello again, hello again. Try, say them very, very slowly. Hello again. Hello again. It's not hello again. Continue the sound. Don't stop the sound. Hello again. Hello again. Now, there is an extra sound in between the two vowel sounds so that it's easy to join the two vowel sounds together. Listen again carefully. Hello again. Hello again. What is that extra sound? Hello again. It's a little w sound. It's a little w sound. Yeah? Hello again. Another example. You always say that. Hello again. You always say that. You always. You always. You always. You always say that. You always. A little extra w sound to join you and always. You always say that. Practice often until it becomes really easy. Hello again. You always say that. Have a look at these. First of all, look at this one. It was so exciting. It was so exciting. It was so exciting. Where does the link go? And what is the sound? It was so exciting. It was so exciting. Correct. We're joining this with a little w sound. It was so exciting. So exciting. It was so exciting. Have a look at these. What do you think? How old is he? What about this one? There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. And the last one. I don't know anything about her. I don't know anything about her. Where are the words linked and what is the sound? Well, the sound you know, don't you? The sound is a little w. So where does it go? What about this first one? How old is he? How old is he? Repeat and listen to the sound of your voice. How old is he? How old is he? How old? Exactly right. There, the little w sound goes in there. How old is he? How old? What about this one? There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. Snow and. There was snow and ice everywhere. There was snow and ice everywhere. Good. And the last one. What do you think? I don't know anything about her. I don't know anything about her. And say it slowly. I don't know anything about her. I don't know anything. Exactly right. That's where it is, the little w sound. I don't know anything. I don't know anything about her. So there we are. Practice lots. So, English pronunciation. Joining two words together where one word ends in a vowel sound and the next word starts with a vowel sound. English pronunciation? It's easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.